Now let's test the next website. So I'll just test this nepalmatrimonial.com website. So let's insert this in the burp. I've already done here, and it started to crawl even. So let's go to the target, select the target, and it is just fetching. So let it give a time to fetch some of the URL, and I'll just wait for a moment and I'll see how this works. So I've got or fetched many link, but you could see it has only the 2 parameters that is visible. So if I just make this sorted, so if I just press 2 times this param tab, then it will get us the sign up in a search. So let me just search. If I just click on that, it will get the information over here. So it has some of the parameters, so most of the parameters are here. So let's send this to our repeater, because repeater will see if we have the any parameter that is vulnerable. So let's search for, maybe it is encoded over here. So what if I search? Okay, if I search for maybe gender, so let's search from gender. So I'll just say female. If I just press go, let's see for female. So female here is injected inside here, that is in the function, that is the function of the script. So it is injected inside the script here. So that means we have to make the payload. So let me just grab everything from this script to this part where this is injected. So let me just grab to this part. Let me copy this first, open the Sublime again. I'll just paste it here. So this is the female, and female has been injected in this gender part. That means first of all we'll simply close the script, because it is injected in the script. That means we have to close our script. So first of all I'll just close my script, and after I close, I'll just inject my own script. So I'll say script alert 1 and close my script. So this is the payload, and this should work. So let me just copy this, go here in the female, I'll just paste our new payload. Let me just press go. Let me see the response in the browser. Let me just copy this link, go over here, paste and go, and it is showing us the alert of 1. That means that was the field that was vulnerable over there. So you could see we have got XSS attack in this field, that is a gender. You can also try for this field and every field over here. So let's go for another and see for the sign up. Let's send this again to the repeater, and you could see we have a bunch of parameter over here. So let's search for this first name, or get something like Udemy, and let's see if this works. Let's press go. Let me search again for the Udemy, and it is showing no matches. That means this is not vulnerable. So let's go to the gender and say femme. Let's now search for FEM. It has also no match. So you can search for everything over here. So you can search for the password, you can search for the telephone over here, date of year, date of birth, everything. So you can search this parameter, and if it reflects over here, that means it has vulnerabilities. And you can also send this to the intruder to load your own payload. So you can load your payload and see the response with this start attack tab over here, or the button, and see the response and see which of these payload work in that field. So this is the way to search or hunt for the XSS attack on the live website. See you in the next one.